Hey everyone! Today I'm taking you on a thrilling taste tour through history with some of the world's most fascinating foods. Each dish not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also carries a rich backstory that enhances its flavor. So buckle up and let's dive into the incredible world of global cuisines and their health benefits. First up, we head to Japan, the land of the rising sun, where sushi awaits us. But did you know that sushi started as a method of preserving fish in fermented rice? Today it's a global phenomenon, loved for its simplicity and health benefits. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids thanks to the fresh fish and with rice providing a source of energy, sushi is as nutritious as it is delicious. Next, we travel to the vibrant streets of Mexico with their world-renowned tacos. Originally from the silver mines in Mexico in the 18th century, tacos were the miner's lunch of choice. Fast forward to today, and they offer a perfect blend of proteins, fats, and carbs, especially when filled with lean meats, beans, and fresh veggies. Tacos embody a meal that is as balanced as it is steeped in history. Moving over to the Mediterranean, let's talk about Greek yogurt. This creamy delight dates back to ancient times and was a popular method for preserving milk. Packed with probiotics, calcium, and protein, Greek yogurt supports bone health and digestive wellness. It's truly a testament to how historical eating habits influence modern health trends. Let's not forget about the humble potato. Native to Peru and first cultivated by the Inca Indians, potatoes were vital to their diet. When introduced to Europe, they helped alleviate famine in many countries. Rich in vitamin C and potassium, potatoes are a staple food that has shaped entire societies. Lastly, let's spice things up with Indian curry. Originating from the Indian subcontinent, curry was adopted by the British and popularized worldwide in the Age of Empire. Beyond its fiery flavor and aromatic spices, curry is loaded with antioxidants, which are great for inflammation and boosting the immune system. From sushi to curry, each plate has a story, each bite a history lesson. As we savor these dishes, we're not just feeding our bodies but also connecting with cultures around the globe. It's fascinating how food intertwines with history, shaping not only traditions but also our health. Thank you for joining me on this delicious journey through time. Remember, every meal has a tale waiting to be told. Keep exploring, keep tasting, and most importantly, keep enjoying this beautiful world of food. Until next time, eat well and travel often.